Looking forward for 2024, tumaas palalo yung sales namin. Ma-meet namin yung aming sales target and yung aming dream home. Sana makuha na namin this 2024.
Grateful, actually forever grateful to Green Circle Realty. When I started in real estate company, ito yung una kong naging pamilya. And I'm looking forward to a better, fruitful, and magnificent 2024.
Everyone in Green Circle Realty na naniniwala na ang Team Victory ay nandito. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity na binigay nyo sa amin to move and to grow as one team again. Going to 2024, we are so excited. There's no way but going up. We are here and we'll always be faithful and we still believe and we still love this company.
Bukod sa akin, hindi lang ako yung nag-grow, pati yung team ko, yung Team Dreamcatchers, looking forward to more sales partner, yung ma-experience namin na magkakasama sa journey na to. And mas marami yung mag-grow and magkaroon ng award. Looking forward to more sales partner na mag-grab ng opportunities sa guidance and support ng GCR.
Napatunayan ko sarili ko na talagang kailangan maging masipag ka lang para lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo sa buhay ay matutupad mo. So isang napakalaking achievement na lahat anong man meron ako ngayon dahil sa Green Circle Realty. To be honest, sa Green Circle, dito ko nabili lahat naman anong meron kami ngayon ng pamilya ko. Lahat ng mga commission ko, lahat ng kita ko, ay natulungan ko ang pamilya ko. So dahil doon, marami tayong natutulungan din mga mamayang Pilipino ang magkaroon ng sariling bahay. So dito sa larangan ng real estate talaga, kailangan focus ka lang at mahal mo ang ginagawa mo. At sana sa darating panataon, marami pa rin tayong mamayang Pilipino ang matulungan para lahat ng mamayang Pilipino ay magkaroon ng sariling bahay.
Hindi po biro yung naging production ng aming team, which is I think more than 1 billion po. And sobrang proud po kami doon kasi na-exceed po namin yung last year performance namin. At hindi po namin na-expect na ma-exceed po namin this year. Kaya talagang, syempre po, super grateful po tayo sa kay Green Circle Realty dahil hindi po magiging possible po ito kung sa tanging sarili lang po namin ng buong team. And I know na kaya pa natin higitan ulit ang ating mga na-establish na target. And yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. So we can do this, Team GT. Congratulations and thank you, GCR.
We're thankful for all efforts of continuously looking for opportunities, transforming all the stumbling blocks into stepping stones towards success. There were a lot of shifts in our business from housing to vertical selling, pero lahat ito ay napagtagumpayan natin dahil nga sa commitment natin na makatulong sa kapwa natin na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kaya excited tayo din ngayong 2024 because more opportunities are waiting for us. Sabi nga natin, opportunities will always be there, but it's a matter of capturing them at the right time, at the right place. So I invite every salespreneur of Green Circle Realty to take a look at these opportunities and more important, capture these opportunities by the opening of 2024. Tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, keep inspired and inspiring and definitely success will be in our hands.